Version 1.7 is finally here. In this release, I added support for DSLR and mirrorless cameras such as Nikon, Canon, Sony, and similar models. Supporting older camera formats required some additional adjustments, especially for older Canon and Sony files, but everything is working correctly now. Let me quickly show you the interface. This is the panel where all stacking parameters are configured. You can choose between calibration-only processing, shift and rotation correction, standard star alignment, or comet alignment. The workflow is designed to be as simple and fast as possible. For example, when I select Mark Comet, the alignment mode automatically switches to comet alignment. The goal is to provide a very easy and fast stacking workflow for users who do not want to use more advanced software like PixInsight or Serial and simply want to stack and preview their images quickly. Here you can see the calibration frames, flats, bias, and darks. These are used to automatically create master calibration frames. If these files are not loaded manually, the software automatically searches for folders named flat, bias, and dark inside the selected directory. The images inside those folders are then combined into master calibration frames, which are automatically applied to the individual images. The entire process is fully automated to make stacking as fast and convenient as possible. This means users do not need to manually search for darks, master darks, or calibration files. You can configure everything manually, or you can simply load a saved settings profile. For example, if I want to stack images from a Sony a7S camera without dark frames, I can just load the appropriate profile here. Everything is then prepared automatically for stacking. Next, I select a folder containing images, for example this M27 dataset, and press the button. The software automatically performs debayering and image stacking. In this example, I only have 8 frames loaded, but the final result is already visible here. I can neutralize the background, adjust brightness, and quickly preview the final image. The result can then be exported and processed further in any external software. You can save the image either as a preview FIT file, PNG, or as a 32-bit unstretched FIT file for advanced post-processing. You can also save multiple settings profiles for different workflows and camera setups. I experimented with several additional features, but some of them became too computationally demanding in Python and would require GPU optimization, so I decided not to continue with those for now. I think the current functionality is more than enough for most users as a starting point. The interface panels are also scrollable, so even on laptops with smaller screens, everything remains fully usable. That's basically everything in the latest version.